¡Yeah! ¡Elefanto!
Vamos, Jumbo.
Let's go.
This is an elephant called a Silaita. She's the oldest female. She's the team leader. She's the main matriarch.
Taka, stay with us.
Yes, it's difficult.
Push them back.
Really big.
Push them back.
Quite much power.
Yeah,
Oh my God. Chewed her rectum. She's undergone several surgeries to fix the rectum.
Me, if I can, I will have Morijo.
Morijo. Okay.
Morizo.
Morijo.
Morijo, not Morizo.
Morizo.
Morijo.
Look, the birds.
He seems tired to be lazy, you know?
Oh,
In the tree.
yeah.
That's nice.
Well, Chris, I'd like to see rhinos now.
Okay, there we are. Let's go out and find them. They're actually out in the wild, and in this park we have two types of rhinos:
The white and the black.
the white and the black.
There is a.
Antelope. Oh, they're running.
It's close. Very close.
He's some size. Hey, look at the feet on him. Come.
Beautiful.
They are quite well, yeah. They're quite fast. They see at least 1 kilometer away. Okay, that's the eyesight, the perfect eyesight. 1 kilometer away.
Very nice, look. That would be a really nice rally stage there. Right, left.
I never been this safari experience in my life, so everything is very fast time for me, and I for sure never forget this experience.
Today we've woke up at quite early, 5 o'clock in the morning. We've left and we travelled into Nairobi National Park. Seen a lot of animals, first time seeing a lion, so it's a great experience, and it's thanks to everyone involved for letting us do this such activity.
Well, it's been a nice 24 hours because we have spent some time with the elephant. We have adopted one. It was a really nice time share with them, but also we went this morning on the national park and to see lions, giraffe, zebras, rhinos, crocodile. And Ogier is one step ahead of me. Very precise, huh?
Precise, huh? Is this also the driving style?
Well, not every time. But
So what I've tried to do today is give you a little bit of a taste of Kenyan food and traditional food, but some with a bit of a modern twist.
But this is
There's a lot of rhubarb.
Surprised though, it's like, hey, it's good.
Yeah, I didn't expect the rhubarb.